Bonjour mes étudiants 6th standard. Welcome you all for this new session. So as we saw last class, we are in lesson 8, La famille de Manuel. So last class we were seeing the family photo of Manuel. C'est la photo de ma famille. So this is the photo which we saw, and we saw how many members are there in Manuel's family, and who is his grandfather, and what's his name, and grandmother, father, mother, brother, and sister. So we'll do a short recap on the previous lesson, and we will continue today's session. Okay, so your today's online test will be based on the last class which you learned. Okay, so listen carefully. I will ask how I will ask the questions. So shall we start? Okay, so I'll read it slowly. You can just follow with the book. Okay. Mon grand-père s'appelle Monsieur Charles Loving. Il a 77 ans. Il parle 4 langues. Il est adorable. Ma grand-mère s'appelle Madame François Loving. Elle a 70 ans. Elle aime la musique. Elle est sympathique. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Loving. Il a 45 ans. Il aime le football. Il est très intelligent. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Véronique Loving. Elle a 40 ans. Elle aime le théâtre. Elle est jolie. Mon frère s'appelle Dennis Loving. Il a 16 ans. Il aime le rugby. Il est beau. Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine Loving. Elle a 8 ans. Elle aime la glace. Elle est petite. Et c'est moi avec mes grands-parents. So today's online test will be based on this true or false. So I told you to find the answers right. So it will be based on the true or false, as well as question answers I will ask in the form of choose. Okay, so nearly 10 questions will be asked. Out of the 10, you'll be given multiple choice option and you have to select from it. So now we will see this same story in animated format so that it will be a good revision. So now you can just stay and watch this animation, and then we will get back to the today's topic. Fine? Yes. So just hold on. La famille de Manuel. C'est la photo de ma famille. Mon grand-père s'appelle Monsieur Charles Loving. Il a 77 ans. Il parle 4 langues. Il est adorable. Ma grand-mère s'appelle Madame François Loving. Elle a 70 ans. Elle aime la musique. Elle est sympathique. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Patrick Loving. Il a 45 ans. Il aime le football. Il est très intelligent. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Véronique Loving. Elle a 40 ans. Elle aime le théâtre. Elle est jolie. Mon frère s'appelle Dennis Loving. Il a 16 ans. Il aime le rugby. Il est beau. Ma sœur s'appelle Catherine Loving. Elle a 8 ans. Elle aime la glace. Elle est petite. Et c'est moi avec mes grands-parents. Ok, family tree. Les grands-parents, la grand-mère. Les parents, le père, la mère. Les petits-enfants, les petits-fils, la petite-fille. Les enfants, le fils, le frère, la sœur, la fille. Hope you guys enjoyed the animation. Now we will get into today's topic. Okay, so from this lesson we finished the vocabulary, and now we have finished this French passage revision. And today's online test will be Dites vrai ou faux. And regarding this family tree, comment s'appelle le père d'Emmanuel? Quel âge a-t-il? Okay, so décrivez la sœur d'Emmanuel. So this is in the form of question, but my questions will be in the form of choose. Okay, I will give the answers with multiple choice. You can select from it. Okay, so again the family tree, this is grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and petits enfants, les enfants. So these things, Now today's topic, we will enter into today's topic. So today's topic, what I'm going to teach is ER verb. This is an introductory topic, so don't think we are going to deal with exercise today. We are just going to deal with what is ER verbs, and we are going to see few examples based on it, and I'm going to give you a homework from this. That's it. So this will be a homework for today. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so there will be 8 exercises. I'll keep a test on this topic for the next class, okay, not this class, because you are writing a test today, right? So already I said what test it is. So we will see this ER verb now. Fine, I'll read it once and then we will go deep into it. Les verbes en OR, ER ending verbs. So this is called as ER ending verbs. All verbs ending in ER except aller comes in this group. All the regular verbs ending in ER are conjugated in the same manner. The present tense of all regular ER verbs is conjugated by removing the ER ending of the infinitive and replacing it with E, ES, ONS, EZ, ENT, and the radical of the verb is infinitive parler, and radical is parle. So there is few things which is missed here. After ES, E should come, so it's not there. So I will just show you an image and I will explain you with the example, so that will be easy for you. See, ER verb is nothing but, in French there are 3 types of verbs. Okay, one is ER, second is RE, and third is IR. Or we can say one ER, IR, and RE. Okay, first group is ER, second group is IR, and third group is RE verb. Okay, so today we are going to see only the first group of verbs, aimer. This is a verb. Verb is nothing but, we are going to explain it what it is. For example, in English, if you want to say I like an apple, okay, I like chocolate, you have to create a sentence. The same way in French also you will create a sentence. So these verbs will help you to create a sentence. So what we are going to see here is a phrase. Normally a sentence should have subject, verb, and object, but see here, this verb, yeah, here it has only subject and verb. So if we include a noun here, it will become object. Okay, so that we will learn later. Imagine this is the first verb we are going to take. The name of the verb is called aimer. Please repeat, aimer. I think already for second batch I taught these, or first batch I should have taught this. Only one more batch they were on leave, so they missed this. So that's why I'm taking this again. Okay, so kindly batch 2 students, you have to listen properly. Aimer, that's the name of the verb. Please repeat, aimer. So the meaning of this verb is to like or to love. Okay, to like or to love. So the first conjugation is j'aime. So first thing what we have to do is aimer verb, take out the er. This verb is ending as er, right? So it is called as er ending verb. So what is left out is radical. AIM is the radical. What is the radical? AIM. to make it clear for you, see this AIM will be written in black. Okay, black ink. AIM. See, AIM, 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 and all the added endings will be in red color. For example, E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So you understood what it is? The radical will be same for regular ending verbs. So now the pronunciation: am, jam. Please repeat: jam, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Okay, so this is the MA verb. So radical is AIM and the ending is E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now the sound is sound 1: am, 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 am. So all these comes under sound 1. Sound 2 is amo. Sound 3 is ame. What verb is this? MA verb. Sound number 1 is am. Sound number 2 is amo. Sound number 3 is ame. Now you guys should repeat along with me. Ame. Repeat. Ame. To like. To love. J'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. So for this you need not connect it, but for here you have to connect it because nous aimons. S should join with A, so that your pronunciation in French will be good. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. S should connect with A. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. Okay. So once again, please repeat along with me. J'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. So this is MA verb. Now we are going to see another verb, same ER verb with but a different meaning. Okay. So second verb we are going to see is parler. Meaning of parler is to speak. Parler. Repeat along with me. Parler. So rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? If it is a ER verb, you have to cut the ER and take the radical. What is the radical? PARL is the radical. So what I am doing here is I take out the ER and I just repeat the radical from je to al. See here, PARL, PARL, PARL. Okay, so the radical is keep on repeating throughout all the subject. Okay, now secondly what I have to do, I have to add an ending, that is E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now we are done with the radical also. Now the pronunciation. Je parle. Repeat. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. Nous parlons. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Vous parlez. Il parle. Il parle. Elle parle. Elle parle. So repeat along with me once again. Parler. Parler. To speak. to speak. Je parle. Je parle. Tu parles. Tu parles. Il parle. Il parle. Elle parle. Elle parle. Nous parlons. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Vous parlez. Il parle. Il parle. Elle parle. Elle parle. So if you want to say I speak French, you have to say je parle français. If you want to say I speak English, you have to say tu parles anglais. So that's it. So making sentences is easy, but first we should know the rules. So far I have taught you two verbs. One is aimer, first verb is aimer, and second verb is parler. Aimer and parler. Now I am going to just introduce you few more verbs, and you are going to do this as a homework. Okay. So first verb is détester. So what you have to do, you have to cut the er, okay, and just you have to add es, ons, ez, ent to the endings. Okay. So first verb is détester. Détester. Repeat along with me. Détester. The meaning of this verb is to hate. Détester. So for example, if you want to say I hate coffee, you have to say je déteste le coffee or le café. Je déteste le café. Second one is adorer. Please repeat. Adorer. Adorer is to adore. If you like something, you'll say I adore it, no? So adorer. The meaning is to adore. Next is chanter. The meaning of chanter is to sing. Please repeat. Chanter. Chanter. Regarder. Regarder. Regarder is to watch television, to watch cinema. Regarder. Arriver. Arriver. Arriver means to arrive. Okay, arriver. Next is dessiner. Dessiner. Dessiner is to draw. Dessiner. The following verb is étudier. Étudier. Please repeat. Étudier. Étudier means to study. The last verb is compter. 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 To count. So what I want you to do is I want you to conjugate all these verbs as it is here in parler and aimer. Okay. So conjugate this in your classwork. Okay. This will be a homework for you. Okay. Like this you have to conjugate the verbs in the classwork. So that is your homework, and I'll take you to the first page and I'll tell you what is the today's test. I already said, but I'm just repeating once again. Your test will be based on this French passage. 5 true or false and 5 choose will be asked. It will be in multiple choice. You have to find out the right answer. That's it. Okay. So your test is from French passage, and your homework is you have to conjugate these er verbs as it is shown here. Okay. So already I have taught you in this class on the board, and this will be just a revision for you. Okay, fine. So just do this and try to do your test well. So that's it for today. In the next class I will ask you to do this exercise based on er verbs. Okay, so I'll ask to do you this exercise based on er verb. That is exercise number 3. Fine. Okay. So even if you're free, if you want to try this exercise before we start, you can do it. Okay. So that's it for the day. Okay students, Have a nice day. So prepare well for your online test. Okay. So la famille de manuel, we will continue. Merci.